One of the problems many are having with claiming the Hamster daily combo is problem of getting referral. Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how you can solve this issue or these challenges in 2 different steps. All right, so you have to go with the one that is okay with you. All right, so without wasting our time, okay, some of you will be like, this was higher than my actual earning before now, and how come I'm having lesser? Yes, I actually have to upgrade some of my cards ahead of tomorrow's combo, so that I won't have to do that. And that is why some of the time you see that some of those cards are available for me and they are not available for you, because I've taken time to boost my multi-tap, my energy limit, and also get some other stuff, so that by the time the new combo will be out, I won't have to start buying cards and I can maintain my profit per hour. Okay, now if you look at on my screen at the top right center of my screen, you see that my profit per hour is 124,000, so which means that I earn more when I return every hour. Okay, without wasting your time, now let's go to the friends section. If you look at, I only have 17 friends, and you'll be like, wow, you have a huge friend referral, like I have huge referral. Okay, how do you actually get this referral? Actually, I have referred friend. This coin, for example, which is one of the combo for today, might not be active on your screen because of you need 4 referrals to be able to get that particular what's it called, card. So for you to be able to get that without okay, just like I said, I'll be taking you through 2 steps. Now step 1 is this: I'm going to minimize my Hamster and go to Play Store and download this app. Okay, I have actually started this conversation in the last video, and for those in my group, I'll be sharing you the links to this video on how to solve your Hamster referral problem. So just come to Play Store and type, if you're on Android operating system, just type for multi-space. Multi-space is the app I'll be using, as I've used it over time and I know how well it is. There are several multi-space apps here on the App Store. You can use dual space. I think I've used this also, it works very well, but you can go for multi-space. I like multi-space, and it's already installed on my phone already, so I will just come to my multi-space app, so you can see. Alright, so the next thing you want to do is you want to add Telegram to the list of apps that you want to clone. So since we want to clone Telegram, the reason why we have to clone Telegram, okay, let me just look for Telegram before I begin to explain that. I don't even know if I've passed it. Okay, I'm going to click on clone. Now the reason why we want to clone Telegram is because if you go to your normal Telegram, excuse me, if you go to your normal Telegram and try to share yourself your referral code, it will automatically bring you here, even when you are able to log in different accounts in your Telegram. You know, Telegram allow you to log in 3 accounts, just like I have here. So if you are able to log in 3 accounts on your Telegram and you share yourself your Telegram account, what do I need to say? You won't get the referral bonus, because it will be opening the same bot, it will be opening the same account. So that is why we need to have multi-space. So we'll be using multi-space to achieve this today. So again, I will go back to my multi-space, and so this time around I'll be clicking on Telegram. I'll open Telegram. Then what you need to do is to take it through this phase, and then to get to a point where it will ask you to enter, start messaging, and blah 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 blah, all of that. So now the next thing is you have to, just like I said, there are 2 ways to go about it. The first thing is you select your country code. If you don't want to select that, for example, if you're from Nigeria, you just type 234, it automatically detects your country code. Whatever country you're from, you would do that. So now this is the trick here. You get the number of your mom, if she's not already on Telegram, I mean on Hamster already. Then you put a number here, whatever number it is, and you once you click on this next, it will ask you if this number is correct. You say yes, and once you click on yes, it will send a particular code to that number. Once you get the code, the number becomes active on what's it called, on Telegram. Then you copy your Hamster referral code, you paste it as a message to that number, then you start the bot on that number. Then automatically you once you start the bot, it's read as 1 referral on your phone. Then the next thing is you go out of that number, just like I would do on my normal Telegram here. You click on your hamburger button, then you click on settings, then you click on this port to actually log out. to log out this account. So once you log out the account, you do the same procedure again. You follow another, maybe your brother's number, your sister, your friend. All you just need is the code that what's it called, Telegram will send to them to be able to activate the account. So if you have done this for 8 different numbers, that means you have gotten 8 referral already. So that is the first trick. The second trick is, if you yourself, if you have 2-3 lines, then you can actually add your line. So then you can actually add your numbers, just like I've added 3 accounts in my what is called in my account here, so I can refer each of them. But remember, you can't always share your Hamster code with either of these other 2 accounts here, because it will always open the same bot if you're on the same Telegram. That is why you have to use the clone version of the Telegram. Do you get it now? So with this now, you'll be able to solve problems of referral as regard to your Hamster Coin, and for any other coin or airdrop that require that you have referral. I hope with this now you'll be able to claim your 5 million daily coin without having to lose it because of referral issue. If you have any other issue, if you are in my group, just post your question in the group. Please, I don't want spamming in the group. Just post your question in the group and I will attend to your queries. Appreciate if you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. It will really do me a good favor and motivate me to create more content for you. Thank you and stay blessed.